One of the beautiful verses of the Holy Quran is Surah Al-Baqarah Verse 152, in which Allah says, فَاذْكُرُونِ اذْكُرْكُمْ وَاشْكُرُوا لِي وَلَا تَكْفُرُونَ. Therefore, remember me, I will remember you, and be thankful to me, and do not be ungrateful to me. In this verse, it's obvious that Allah is calling on us to remember Him. He says, فَاذْكُرُونِ, remember me, and be thankful to Him. وَاشْكُرُوا لِي, be thankful to me. For us to be in remembrance of Him, and upon remembering Him, to be thankful for His blessings. There are many times in our lives where we may not pay attention to our Creator, and we tend to only remember Him when we do our ibadah specifically, not outside of it. But it should not be this way, as Allah says, after, what does He do? أذكركم, I will remember you. So when you remember me, I remember you. He remembers us. Now to say one has remembered would not mean that one would have forgotten before. We would say no in this case, that the remembrance of Allah here is that He remembers us with His favor, that He will increase for us His bounty and grace if we're thankful to Him, and we're not ungrateful for our favors. As right after He says, وَلَا تَكْفُرُونَ, and do not be ungrateful to me. This is very similar to the verse in Surah Ibrahim verse 7, where He says, وَإِذْ تَعَذَّنَا رَبُّكُمْ لَإِن شَكَرْتُمْ لَأَزِيدَنَّكُمْ. And remember when your Lord proclaimed, if you are grateful, I will surely increase you in favor. So it's obvious that we should always try to appreciate the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and be thankful for that which Allah has blessed us, so He can remember us and bless us even more in this life and the afterlife.